Hello everyone, it's Kenneth again and again. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, it's gonna be another DIY for Valentine's Day, and I'm happy to share with you the DIY I know for a long time. Okay, it's gonna be easy. You just need some patience and lots of chocolates and lots of love. Okay, so let's begin and watch me how I do it. Okay, so guys, let's start. Let's begin. Ito yung cover nung heart shape na ginamit ko doon sa isang DIY ko. So might as well use this instead of throwing it. Okay, so what we can do is make a triangle like this, and glue all of them. Okay, so what I'm doing right now, I will combine the pink color and the red color wrapping paper to make our bags more nicer. So there you go. After that, I made or I cut a flower foam, make it look like a triangle, and put it inside for me to have a hold for all the chocolates that I need to put. So I'm going to start with Raffaello, which is my favorite one because I like white chocolate. So I always make sure I have 2 and 2. At least if you have 2 and 2, it should look more nicer and patterned. So there you go guys, I already finished putting all the chocolates in their places. And after that, I will put my DIY ribbons. That's a Valentine's Day ribbons. And you can also put whatever you want to put to make your Valentine's DIY bags more nicer. I highly recommended for you to make this DIY because this is very easy, and if you do it for yourself, it's so meaningful to the person you're gonna give it to. So after fixing everything, there you go guys, you have a nice beautiful bouquet in the box. I hope you like it. So guys, that's all for today. Thank you for watching. I hope you like my DIY. Stay safe and God bless me. Always remember, nothing is permanent in life. So be good, do good, and stay good. Because tomorrow is not a promise. Okay? Bye. Mwah.